Hello guys, welcome to this weekly analysis. I just woke up, but nonetheless, let's go. If you want me to see me live trading for YouTube public, absolutely free, make sure this video at least gets 50 likes, and I will be doing an online challenge passing the Quantical 100k account. And this is my current account now. And I would love to document this journey through my reels and also YouTube. Yeah, make sure to smash the like button. And as per the weekly analysis, let's start with the DXY. Why DXY? Like, obviously, if this is DXY, all the major currencies for experts will be like lower lows, right? So it's known as inversely correlated. That's why we analyze DXY. So we get a kind of a bias for remaining pairs. So I am as we are anticipated, we swept as a lows. If you watch my 10 days back video, we were anticipating these lows to taken out, right? Even though on the monthly chart it was looking bullish, most people anticipated DXY will be bullish, but I anticipated it's bearish. And it was as exactly like we anticipated. We took the liquidity key low here and generated the fair value gap and also inverse. Remember, whenever we take the liquidity and generate fair value gap or generate inverse, that's our strong sign of a potential reversal towards next round liquidity. Which is our next round liquidity? Nothing but this size. This will be my first round liquidity, meaning price like to attract there. Next will be this highs and this. Okay, at least this one for sure. And this will be my last standard of defense where the price might reverse. Yeah, this is the golden rule. Always be mindful of the fair value gap after the purge of on a strong POI support. And that's for the XY. Since I'm bullish, I'm kind of slightly bearish on Bitcoin, Euro, XAU. XAU is more like a neutral version, but I will explain. Now, as for the Bitcoin, as we're on the weekly chart, we're anticipating this inverse and the fair value gap and the value area high area to provide some resistance on 10 days back, right? That's what exactly happened. If you just observe, see, we again did the swing failure pattern and we are reversing. And yesterday when I posted on the Instagram, we never had this candle close yet on the daily chart, but I was anticipating this to happen. Range war, last line of defense, expecting this to lose, we lost there, and the body closed below to test the key areas. These will be key areas for our potential reversal zones and the trade ideas, right? We also have a strong support point of control of this range and the monthly NPOC on the lower zone. But the first zone I will be waiting for the TCP protocol will be this. That is low time frame entry model, trigger confirmation protocol, all the stuff. And that is pretty much as we're anticipating Bitcoin playing out. And as per the Euro USD, we do have a key monthly low here. If you go to monthly chart, right? Monthly chart, we swing failure pattern is monthly chart. And so the monthly low will become the key, right? This will be our last target if price needs to be like ultra bearish. So that's why I marked down the monthly low, previous monthly low, that is. We wicked a high, all these highs. Remember, we also swing pattern, that's a strong reversal sign. And that's why we Euro saw some pullback. There is no surprise there. And yeah, the first standard of defense will be this value area high, and there's a small daily order block there. If this doesn't provide support, I'm anticipating this lows to be taken out, and the potential reversal zone will be main this or this. Okay, so we'll be waiting for the reaction on these zones. If the price doesn't reverse here, and these are definitely seems a very good target. That's why I put the potential reversal signs there. And that's for the Euro USD and how it matches with the DXY, right? And DXY is bullish and Euro again looking bearish. And we also inverse there on the daily chart. See, the fair value gap which took the liquidity got disrespected. This is our first MSS choose boss, whatever you want to call it. This will be my first sign of potential market structure shift before anything like swing low gets broken or something like this, like advanced MSS. And yeah, this key monthly low, if we get there, I'm not sure, that will be like a very good support. But these are the key lows. I will be the first support, second support. That's for the Euro plan. XAU, I need to see the more information, I'd say. Let me go to 4 hour maybe. Yeah, yeah, the last call was spot on the breaker, right? This was the call I gave on the public YouTube, and look at how we pumped from here. This was a literally low we called on the YouTube. We are pumped like 11%. Damn. And I'm very ultra bullish on gold, very, very long term. So I share the elite wave analysis. But as for now, this will be strong support, or maybe we could potentially find swing value pattern around these liquidity lines. So I need more information. And we again, yeah, if we, wherever we are now around this 3653 area, if it doesn't reverse there, I'm anticipating this, and this. Okay, this is like a high confidence zone, like auto block. There is some high value node weekly in POC, but just little low. If it's really turns bearish, then make sure you put alert there, because these are like a plus zones. Okay, I can use your risk management, and yeah, that's it. None of this is a financial way. Remember, trading takes a lots of time, patience, moreover just risk management. Trading is all about risk management, right? You can make money, doesn't matter, even with the 35% win rate. You can still make money with 35% win rate. Thing is, you have to risk manage. Always risk set percentage, whether it's 0.5 or 1%. What is your risk tolerance? Okay. And that's the real, it's literally an auto trader. You're more like a money manager and a risk manager. And these are just edges. This is like highest probability edges I can find. I'm literally combining value, negative point of control, and smart money auto block and stuff like that. So we could find our key zones with a plus probability. What is a plus probability? It's not 100% again. A plus is just means more like 7 to 8 out of 10 times we will get our trade in the right directions. On the 3 times we could still hit the stop loss, but thanks to risk management, we are always be to be profitable. And that's all I have for today. This is a quick weekly analysis video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and yeah, if you want me to see the passing of the 100K on the quantical, right? Make sure to make this video viral, I guess. And don't forget to use the, if you're just looking to get funded and try new things, and if you're like funded accounts are the great way to start trading, because it's literally not your fun, but you can just use the code where you will get 50% off on quantical funded, and 25 to 30% off on blueberry funded. Both are upcoming great platforms. And nonetheless, see you soon in the next video.